Hello guys, in front of me Motorola One Zoom and Teamfight Tactics Mobile and a short gameplay. So let's start from the basics. So in the right upper corner is a settings icon, so we can adjust the volume. There's also general, so we can signal from our account. There is also the notification icon, but as you can see it doesn't work right now. And friend list, here it is the currently rank and our nickname. Here we can change the type of the game, so we can go for the normal and play. Of course, we are going into the game. We can change our skin character and arena. So just start and go to the queue. Now we have to wait for other players. Okay, so match is found, we can accept. And now we are in the loading screen and we have to wait until all of the players loading to the game. Okay, so we are moving by touching the screen and we will going for a champ, probably for the Rek'Sai. Yeah, we got her. On the right side there is all of the players available in the game. Here's our fan list. On this there switcher is damage dealt by our champion, and here will be damage dealt by opponent champion. You can of course close it. If you wanna put the champ on the battlefield, you click, hold and drag him. And now we are on the first stage with the minions. So the gameplay is the same like on the PC version. So if you play on your PC, so you are exactly know what is going on here. But if you are new to League, you can also just learn a few things. Okay, so now we get second Predator, so we are also going to put him on the field a little bit closer to the minions to finish it faster. And if we get any item from the minions, it will be here in this box. And here on the left side is currently class of all the champs in the battlefield. And if you wanna buy champ, you click here. And there is currently trample, and of course you refresh it here for the 2 gold, and of course it's happened automatically and the every stage. So now it will be other champs, as you can see. And if you wanna just add exp and level up, click here. And as I told you, there's the item from the minion. And if you wanna put it on champion, you have to click on it, drag on a champ, but it is a little bit laggy on this moto. Okay. So now we have another 2 Predators. It is Rek'Sai, so now is on the level 2. She can upgrade. We can get this Negatron clock to the scanner, and we can also buy champ, maybe Wayne. Oh, and it's another Predator. Nice, we lose. I mean, we won. We won the stage. and we'll swap Wayne with Warwick, and of course sell her, buy another Skarner. This guy is going in the front line. Maybe we can try to refresh to get another upgrade. Oh, and it's another Predator. It's Cogmoth, so it's really cool. Okay, and we won again. So now we can put another champ. It will be of course Cogmoth. And we could go for another Rek'Sai and maybe refresh a little bit. Last time. Okay, and the Skarner on the level 2. So there is no way that we are going to lose in a few stages. Okay, and this is how it looks on the Moto One Zoom. It works really not bad. There was only one laggy moment, but now it's really cool. So thank you for the watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.